So this should be your starting point. You've printed out both sides of the gauntlet and you've sellotaped them together. So just using magic tape or whatever, any kind of tape. And you do the same for the belt. Now next what we're going to do is cut out just this shape here. And we're going to do the same for the belt, just this bit here. We're not going to worry about the details just yet. What we're going to do now is trace just the outline of this onto foam. And I'm just going to use 2mm here, because this is going to be like the method that you use without a heat gun. So literally just draw around the outside this, and then on your second piece of foam, flip it, and do the same, and that's your left gauntlet. The next step is to cut out these details, but what we're going to try and do here is leave a little gap in the middle, just in the center, just so everything doesn't fall apart. I'll show you how that works as it goes along. So there you go, we've got like this ribcage framework here that we are going to lay on top of this, and then we're going to draw around that. Now, normally drawing around this would be enough if we were using this type of foam, and then we could go over that outline just with a scalpel, like so, and then just use a heat gun to bring out the details. I'll show you guys that technique as well in a little bit, but for this tutorial we're just going to do it the old school way and just 2 layers of craft foam. So you want to make sure that the lines that you've drawn meet in the middle here. So what you do now is cut out the details and then just glue them on top of the first piece, which was just the outline. Give it a coat of primer, and you're ready to paint and just roll it up. Remember to roll it and like attach the sides before you paint, because otherwise the paint might crack when you try to roll it.